Hello everybody, I got a product here from Head Spades, and you can go to spearheadspades.com, and I'll put the link down below also, so you can just click on it or whatever and go to it. But these here spades are made a lot different than the regular spades that just come down and there's the flat bottom and it goes back up. These actually come down and they're kind of more of a point. And these dig so much better than the regular spades, especially if you're kind of digging in a rocky area. But these here work really good. The handles are fiberglass, and it's also built in the USA. I don't know if you can see that there. So that's another reason to buy these. Buying USA products is a lot better than buying a China made or whatever product. But these dig really good. We'll try it out here. I'll show it to you. But they dig with little effort. As you can see, I ain't putting a whole lot into that. But these are really good shovels, spades. Like I said, if you're digging in a rocky area or a really hard dirt area, these are ideal for that. So don't forget to check out Spearhead Spades, and like I said, I'll put the link down below so you can check these out, order them if you want. And I think they are in some of the regular stores. I'm not sure which ones, but if you go to their website, you should be able to pull that up. So have a great day everybody, enjoy the weather, and check out my videos, comment, like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.